So WorldCoin Oro. So here I already claimed 6 tokens. So if you update your WorldCoin app to the latest version, and I guess you need to be verified with the orb, and then you also need to add your username. Like here I have my, and then you can claim 1 Oro token, 1 Oro token per day. So each day you can just claim this token here, and you just claim it, and then yeah. Right now it's it's all like 10 cents or so per token per this price. As you can see here, you can see that I claimed like 6 tokens. Oh well, it's 12 cents right now. So you can see the price. So yeah, it's kind of increased the price. Obviously right now is the hype cycle in crypto overall, but you just claim token per day, and that's 12 cents of free money. It's not a lot, but it's like free token. And it's good deal kind of, because even for referring people to some crypto apps like OKX, you can get like 5 cents or 10 cents or 50 cents. And some referral programs are not good, and here just claim token is 10 cents. Of course, it's not like a WorldCoin claim, because in WorldCoin you just claimed and 1 token would be like $10 or more. But now I don't think that WorldCoin tokens claims are available anymore. So yeah, this is a new program, and also you can claim Orb token, where Orb token right now increased in price just like that. So yes, you can see. So that's basically what it is. So try it out, Oro token, and then just install it as a app store, install it as a separate app here, and then you can just claim your Oro daily on World Chain.